Welcome to another session in this course. I'm going to be teaching you two major conversion functions in MySQL. Sometimes you have your data type, but you want to change it to another data type in order for you to get your desired icon. In order to do that, you need the conversion functions, which are cast function and the convert function. I will be teaching you how you can use both of these functions, and also I will be teaching you the two attributes of numeric functions when you are actually using these functions. These attributes are the signed and the unsigned. Do not worry, just follow me in this lesson and you will understand all of this. Let us get at it. When I run this particular query, it is going to return two columns from our orders table, the customer ID and the order value. The customer ID is an integer, while the order value is decimal. So let us convert the customer ID to decimal. To do that, let us use the cast function first. So if I use cast function, I say cast, the value I want to cast or the column I want to cast, in this particular case, is the customer ID. And then I will add the keyword as. What do I want to cast it to? This time I want to cast it to decimal. Then I want only 2 or 3 values after the decimal. If I run this now, so let's call this particular one as decimal. If I run this, we are going to have a new column where our customer ID has been converted to decimal values. You can see it. Then I can also use a convert function. So if I want to use a convert function, I will just write convert. Instead of using as here, I will not use as, and I will just put a comma, convert customer ID, then whatever I want to convert it to. If I run this, we are going to have the same outcome. You see, we have the same outcome. Let's go again, and then let's say, okay, we want to convert the order value to integer. Now, to do that, let's use the cast function first. The column we want to cast, which is the order value, then our as operator, then we are going to be casting into integer. But when we want to cast into integer in MySQL, we use signed. This is because we have different type of integers in MySQL. Small int, tiny int, and big int. So instead of specifying whether it is big int, tiny int here, we just put signed keyword. This says that our column contains positive or negative values, and it will convert it to integer. If I run this now, you will see that this other value has been converted to integer. I can also use unsigned. So if I use unsigned, it means that I am telling my SQL that all of the values in my column, they are positive. And if I run this now, I will also get the same outcome. I can also use the convert function for the same purpose. And I will just remove the as operator and put a comma here. And if I also run this, I will have the same outcome. If I want to convert to a string, I will just use the word char. So if I do this, let us change this to string. Let's say strings. If I run this now, this that you are seeing here, even though it is appearing as a number, it has become a string. This is how we can actually use convert and cast functions to convert our values from one type to another. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification icon, and also like our video. Until we meet in the next one.